no one thinks about pipes. No one thinks about where the water comes from or how the gas gets to their house.
Yeah, it's a good point.
Sewage, like what happens and then what happens when these things like break down.
Yes.
I mean,
yeah. I mean, fucking hell. Yeah, so many can go. I'm like yourself though, Chris. There, unfortunately, I have worked in many years, but you've got to remember where it all comes from, and we have to maintain these things where they come from. They're not above ground; they're always below ground. So there's always a different element of work involved with it. What's the plan today, Beatrice?
We're doing those 2.
Yeah.
And then either going to the other one, to DN16.
Yeah.
So which is close to DN19.
And this one's dry, isn't it? DL16.
I'm not sure actually.
Okay.
I don't remember. There is no note.
Okay. So concentrate on these 2 this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, but 18 years I've been putting seals in the ground now. I think it's 18. If I was 16 when I fit my first seal, 16, 26. Yeah, 18 years. Fucking hell. For a month, I'm away pretty much all the month. Yeah, I'm away pretty much all the month at the moment. Last week I was in...
Continue on B1
Where else?
for 800 metres.
Yeah, but I do spend a lot of time on the road, hell of a lot. Hard in some ways, miss home.
yeah, that's what I was
I
gonna
mean,
ask.
the last few weeks,
Continue for
I guess
1
you were
kilometre.
all the time away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This got to be one of the more difficult pipes you guys have done.
Yeah, because it's tighter access. I always find in the bigger pipelines, it's more, they're never nice places, but you've more room around you. You can move around, you can turn around as well and get out, whereas he cannot turn around. People forget that pipelines are dangerous places. There's lots of gases in them, with free-flowing solids. All sorts can be inside a pipeline, and you don't know what you're going into. So I think it's best to be equipped for that before you go there.
So once I'm in there, we always communicate as much as possible. Dominic will be shouting to me every couple of minutes, making sure I'm all right, comfortable. A lot of the time I'll most probably swear back at him, unfortunately, until I get the actual job done.
Right, Dom.
Yeah, of course. Pumping, Steve.
Yeah. That's better.
Is it?
Yeah, it's fucking shooting up.
Good. I think I'm getting pressure.
What?
I think I'm getting pressure.
Yeah, you definitely are.
I've no gauge, you see.
Yeah, proper twat, it will pop up. Hang on.
Okay, pressure's coming.
What is it?
50, 100. And we're holding pressure as well. Can give you some if you need it, Stephen.
I'm alright. Fucking holding. Okay.
Going off. You're off.
arms. If anyone's got any spare, please. It's nice to be able to move again.
Yeah, that is tight. Newfound respect.
Say again?
It's a newfound respect.
Oh, thank you.
You don't really realize it until you see it, just
Yeah.
how like tight it is.
I just about can get my arms down, but it's really awkward.
It's not the best job we do in the world, crawling through pipes and mud and water and all sorts kind of stuff. But you have to look at the pros here and there. And like for me, travelling is one of my key factors of life. I want to see the world as much as I can, and this job suits it perfectly.
I absolutely love my job. Not many people will be able to tell you that they love what they do. Even though I go in the world's deepest, darkest holes. I do, I really, really enjoy it. And I always have. Always, always have. I feel the job went very well. Do you, Beatrice?
Mhm.
I think the water was an issue, but because we thought of the plan beforehand, we could overcome it, which is good. Got the seals in. I felt I got wet on the front, but everything went good for me. Main thing is everybody's out safe and well. Job's done, and we all go for a beer tonight. I hope.
Yeah.